Hello lovelies. All right, so let me take you back to December 2023 when I last visited Ghana. I filmed my mom making this authentic Ghanaian tomato stew, guys, authentic with the hajia factor. All right, so let me allow you to watch this video and let me know, is it the same way you also do your tomato stew? If not, let me know in the comment section. Enjoy. We'll be steaming our meat first. That'll be the first thing we'll be doing, and we'll be using the firewood today. Yes, so I can't wait for this. So that's the process of doing our chicken. You need to fry your chicken very well. And this is our chef. Nobody gets there for competition. We are adding our onions. Called apotoyowa, and now we're going to add our garlic. Yes, so this is how we do it in Ghana. This is how we grind it. We are adding our ginger garlic paste into our meat. Sizzling cube going inside. Add our next paste. Alright, so now we're adding some pepper. This is Scotch yellow pepper. And now our salt goes in it. Our salt goes in it. And now we'll stir everything together. Now, after stirring and putting everything together, you allow it to cook. So we cover it now. Alright. So we add in firewood so we can get our fire very active. I fan it so we can get our fire very active to cook our meat. Yes, this is how we do it. This is how it's done. You fan it. You can see, right? So let's keep fanning. And it's now time to check on the meat. So we just have to stir this a little bit. Then we covered it again and allowed it to cook properly. Now our chicken is well cooked and we want to fry this. So we're taking it off the fire, and then in the same pot we added some oil, a bit of onion, then we started frying our chicken. What do about it? Now our chicken is looking so yummy and palatable. Alright, so it's now time to get into the sauce. Okay, so now we are sauteing our onions inside the oil we fried our meat. Yeah, so this is the onion. It's really going to be yummy. Okay, so look at it. So we're adding our tomatoes in a few minutes. So we are adding our tomatoes. So now our tomatoes and onions, everything inside our pot. And allow this to saute for some time before we add our to make it close. Like I said, we are doing it the local way, so we have our firewood burning nicely. Okay, so okay, so at this point we'll be stirring for some time now. Okay, so it's now time to add in your seasoning, but before adding the seasoning, we kept in our spices, which I was not able to record. We added in some rosemary, some nutmeg, and some black pepper. Yes, and gave it a very good stir. Then of course we sprinkled some bay leaves. So if you've been wondering how the Northerners make their Hajia special sauce or salad sauce, this is how we do it. You get it now, right? Okay.
You're in the mix. Yeah.
Okay guys, so at this point our tomato sauce was ready, and guys, we had this with rice, and I can tell you for a fact that my daughter could not resist this sauce. She wanted to have rice and stew every other day, and then when we came back to Abuja, she was like, she wants that Ghana stew. I'm like, what's so different? You understand? But that Hajia factor makes it so different. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you really love this video, and catch you in my next one. Bye.